In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Australian Google account. This process is quick, but it helps to go slowly so your details are accurate and your account is secure. First, open your web browser and go to the Google account signup page. You can do this by searching for Google Account Create, then selecting the official signup link. Make sure you are on a real Google page before entering any personal information. A good tip is to check that the page address begins with Google. Once the signup page loads, look to the left side of the page for the country selection. Click the country option and change it to Australia. Setting the country correctly can help align your account experience with Australian settings, like regional options and services that may depend on location. Next, select Create Account. When you are given account type choices, choose the option for personal use. This is the standard option for most people, and it is the right choice if you want a normal Google account for everyday services like email, YouTube, and Google Drive. Now enter your basic personal details. Type in your first name and last name, then add your birthday, and select your gender. Take your time here, because some of these details may be used for account recovery and age-related features. Use your real birthday so you do not run into access issues later. After that, you will create your username. This username becomes the address you use to sign in across Google services. Choose something professional, easy to remember, and simple to type. If the name you want is already taken, Google may suggest alternatives. You can adjust it by adding letters or numbers until you find one that is available. Finally, set your password. Choose a strong password that is hard to guess, using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or personal details. Also use a password that you have not used on other websites to reduce the risk if another account is ever compromised. Once you have entered everything, you are ready to continue through the remaining on-screen prompts to finish creating your Australian Google account. That covers everything you need to know.